What is up mga brad? Welcome sa ating YouTube channel. Ngayon ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ako maglinis ng aking motor. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko linisin itong mga suot-suot na parte ng ating makina. Okay? Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano natin hugasan yan. Matanggal yung mga sumuot na dumi sa ating motor. Okay, ang una natin gagawin, babasahin ko muna. So, meron tayong tubig. Basahin muna natin para lumambot yung mga dumi-dumi sa ating motor. Okay mga brad, gumagamit ako ng foam tapos sabon na dishwashing liquid panglinis sa fairings. Dito mga brad sa parting makina, hindi basta-basta malilinisan ng foam lang. Pag ganyan lang, kukuskusin lang natin ng ganyan. Hindi basta-basta matatanggal yung mga nakasuot na dumi sa makina natin. Kaya meron akong ginagamit na isang special na pangtanggal. So ito, gumagamit ako nito. So ito, nabibili ito sa construction supply, paintbrush. So ganito lang. Ito yung mabisang pantanggal ng mga dumi-dumi na sumuot sa ating makina, lalo na sa ganito. Pag ano lang kasi mga brad, foam lang, hindi basta maabot. So pag ganito, talagang natatanggal siya. Pag ganitong brush, paintbrush to, murang-mura lang to, 15 pesos. Meron ka na nito. So saka sabon. Kung meron kayong degreaser, mas maganda. So yan. So linisan lang natin ng mabuti.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
tapos na nating linisan. Ito na yung kinalabasan ng paglinis natin. Nalinisan talaga, natanggal talaga yung mga nakasuot dyan na dumi sa makina. Epektibo talaga yung ginamit nating paintbrush para makutkot natin, matanggal yung mga dumi-dumi. Pati dito sa mugs, natanggal natin yung mga dumi. Pati dito sa caliper ng ating brakes, natanggal yung mga nakasuot dyan na alikabok. Epektibo talaga mga brad. Kung gagamit kayo ng foam lang, wala, hindi maabot yung mga nasa sulok na dumi. Pero yung ginamit nating paintbrush, tanggal talaga. So yun mga brad, dito ko na lamang tatapusin tong vlog na to. Sana ay may natutunan kayo. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Don't forget to like and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel Nopimoto. Maraming salamat. Dito na lamang.